failure that I really learned a lot from. I was fairly early on in my HR career here. Again, I had been a recruiter for a long time, and someone had given me feedback on a colleague of theirs that they were really struggling to work with. And so I sat down this person and shared the feedback, but wasn't very specific or very detailed in how I delivered it. And he walked away feeling really defeated and wondering if this was the right place to him, or right place for him. And so when I stepped back and talked with his manager, really helped me learn a lot about the best way to deliver feedback, the perception that people have about HR in most companies, and how I was thinking I was helping, but he was thinking he was being disciplined. And so it really was I felt terrible after the end, but it was a great learning opportunity for me to think about how I really am making people better by delivering feedback in the right way, and being really mindful of the perceptions of my function here and how we can truly make people better and not make them feel scared to come to us.